today, kind of like the picnic table I made, I'm going to be making this porch swing for squirrels. And first thing you need to do is I've already ripped these, but on your fence pickets you need to rip one at 1.5 inches, and then you need 3 that are 1 inch. Now the first thing I want to do is cut this little bitty short piece right here. He has a 3-degree angle here, and then he's 1.5 inches wide and 1.5 inches long to make up this arm support. So while we still have a long stick to hold to, I'm going to cut that. Now we measure over 1.5 inches from the point. Now we'll go back to our 0. And we'll cut that off each end. Now we need 2 pieces that are 5.5 inches long with a 20-degree on one end. Now we need 2 pieces that are 10 inches long. Now we need the 1-inch pieces. We need arm support. This is 6 inches. We need 2 of them. And then these pieces on the back, they're 6 inches. And there's 8 of them. So we need to cut 10 that are 6 inches long. Now this back brace right here, it's 7 inches, about 1 inch. Get 2 of them, and then the 2 arms, they're 7 inches. So we need to cut 4 at 7 inches. Okay, now the seat boards, they're 12 inches, so we need 6 of them. Now we're going to take these 2 5.5 inches and this 10 inch. We're going to join them together. And I'm using a 1 1/4 inch brad. Now we're going to put these seat boards on. We want to have about a 1-inch overhang on either side. Have it flush with the back. I'm about a 1/4 inch. Just eyeball it there. Overhang on the front. The rest of them, yeah, it's kind of good about a even space on them. Now on this slope side, that's going to be the back, and we're going to put these back pieces on. Flush with this edge, flush with the bottom. It's 7 inches long. But we'll change the nail to inch and a half, because we're going to put these on edge. Put these arm supports together. And these little bitty pieces we cut earlier. There again, we're using the 1.5 inch brads. Okay, now we'll put these on. The bottom one will measure down 3 inches. And the top one will go 1/2 inch. all I got left to do now is put this chain on there. So I'm thinking about 10 or 11 inches, something like that. Well, there you go. That gets another one done. I'll take another piece of chain and hook it into a tree limb or something. Probably put a screw right in here to stick a corn cob on, or I run out of those little tubs. I could put a tub on him, but run out of them. So there's your squirrel porch swing. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope I did a good job at explaining how to do this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.